Hi, it's HardwareSet and today I'll show you how to toggle touchpad on HP ELITEBOOK 855. So to disable touchpad, go into the search, type in touchpad settings, then open it and disable. Now I'll show you how to enable it, so you probably don't have a mouse. If you do, then you enable it the same way that we disabled. So the touchpad is not working. Click the Windows button in the left bottom corner of your keyboard. Type in touchpad settings and click enter. Now click enter once again. Tab till you go into the reset and enter. And now the touchpad is working. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.